In this video I'm replacing burned MOSFETs to Marshall 100 watt MOSFET guitar amp. These devices are quite simple and similar between different manufacturers. Symptoms were that amp was overheating, and after that volume level started to wave randomly. One common reason why these things break is that amp is left on with high volume but no speaker is connected. This causes energy buildup inside the amp, and then the MOSFETs will overheat and blow up. And same thing with the tube amps, but there the tubes are the ones that blow up. Anyway, repair is easy. First, this cover plate out. Then 2 RCA connectors from the reverb tank. And then 4 screws from the bottom side. I recommend to remove these screws like this by placing the amp to the edge of the table. This way everything stays in place without screws, and then you can carefully slide the electronics out. Here we can see that one of the main MOSFETs is darker, indicating that it has been overheating. And new parts can be found from the eBay, for example. Just make sure that new part is exact match, so you don't have to modify or adjust anything else on the PCB. Replacing is very easy. Desolder the cables, unscrew the old one, install new one, resolder. And make sure that this thermal pad is clean and it sits flat between the MOSFET and the heatsink. Thermal pad is here to make sure that heat from the MOSFET is transferred evenly and efficiently to the heatsink. Another option would be to add heat paste between the surfaces, but those original pads were intact, so I'll leave it that way. And while repairing, I recommend to clean potentiometers with contact spray and replace these tantalum capacitors, which usually have shorter lifespan than other components on the PCB. Usually I would replace those with matching electrolytic capacitors, but in this case that might affect the sound of the amp, so I will use tantalums. I also replaced 2 biggest electrolytic capacitors because it seems like some previous repair guy did some sketchy repair there. I also resoldered the whole PCB to make sure that there's no cold joints. Then after everything is done, everything back together in reverse order and you're all set.